Howard Brown Health is the Midwest's largest provider of healthcare for the LGBTQ+ community. With 11 clinical sites, 3 resale shops, the Broadway Youth Center, and more, we are continually expanding our impact on communities in need. Howard Brown Health, in order to maintain its growth and provide accessible healthcare to all who need it, has identified 6 frameworks or values that are at the core of our organization. These values allow us to achieve patient-centered, affirming, and culturally intelligent care in a culture rooted in social change. The first framework is health equity. Now, it's important to understand the difference between equity and equality. Health equity is the idea that due to certain factors, certain people are more likely to have poor health outcomes. It is Howard Brown Health's responsibility to repair those inequalities by focusing our efforts on identities and communities that need our help the most. That is equity, giving those who need it most a boost in order to bring everyone to the same level. The next value is racial equity. Unfortunately, medical problems affect different races and ethnicities at different levels, and Howard Brown is aware of this. Every identity and community has their own legacy of trauma when it comes to healthcare. Howard Brown Health acknowledges this and takes steps every day to provide culturally intelligent healthcare to every race and ethnicity. The third value is LGBTQ+ Liberation. At its core, Howard Brown Health has always been committed to correcting the injustices queer people have faced in healthcare. Our organization sprung out of a dire need for testing and treatment during the HIV crisis, and today we have expanded on that need to offer a whole range of specialized healthcare that is catered to suit the needs of the queer community. Our next value is trauma-informed care. Howard Brown Health acknowledges that many of its patients have experienced uncomfortable doctor visits, misgendering, discrimination, prejudice, denial of care, and more over the course of their healthcare journey. We are committed to remedying these injustices by providing safe and accommodating spaces to seek healthcare. The fifth framework is harm reduction. On first glance, reducing harm seems like the mission of any healthcare organization, but at Howard Brown, it takes on a particular meaning. We acknowledge that patients are whole people, and we know that adhering to best health practices or doctor recommendations might not be possible for a variety of reasons. Howard Brown Health knows this and is committed to meeting patients where they are to provide the best health outcome. The last framework is operational excellence. Operational excellence, to us, means streamlining our processes to reduce the cost of healthcare for a patient. The better we are at our jobs, the better health outcomes will be for the populations we serve. We are always striving to learn and to grow to better suit the needs of diverse communities across the city. Altogether, these frameworks serve to guide our staff as we seek to bring accessible, high-quality, and culturally intelligent healthcare to everyone.